Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today E.D.B.L just filed an 8K report and I am seeing a slight change in their shareholder meeting plans. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company is reconvening its annual meeting of stockholders. And the key update is that it will be held virtually again. We are looking at a filing from E.D.B.L Incorporated, the company with the ticker symbol EDBL. This is their current report filed on the 26th of June 2026. This particular filing is updating us on an other event. The earliest event reported here happened on the 25th of June 2026. It concerns their 2026 annual meeting of stockholders. Now, this filing doesn't contain a lot of the detailed financial tables we sometimes see in other reports like a 10Q or 10. What it does tell us is that E.D.B.L AG Incorporated plans to reconvene its 2026 annual meeting of stockholders. This meeting, which was apparently adjourned, will now be held virtually on the 30th of June 2026. This is important because it means shareholders will still be able to participate and vote remotely. The company is emphasizing that the polls will remain open for voting during this adjournment period. They are also making it clear that the record date for who is eligible to vote has not changed. This means if you were a shareholder on that original record date, you still have the right to vote at this reconvened meeting. And importantly, no changes have been made to the proposals that will be voted on. So, shareholders who were eligible to vote as of May 6, 2026 are still the ones who get to cast their votes. One detail that stands out is that E.D.B.L AG Incorporated is identifying itself as an emerging growth company. This can mean they get some regulatory perks, like being able to delay adopting new accounting standards. They do not appear to be using the extended transition period for those accounting standards. Looking at the company's registered securities, they have common stock trading under the symbol E.D.B.L and warrants to purchase common stock under the symbol E.D.B.L.W. Both are listed on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC. While this filing primarily concerns the logistics of the annual meeting, it is worth considering the broader context for E.D.B.L AG Incorporated. News from June shows market analysis on their price-to-book ratio, and earlier in the year they had a reverse stock split. They also had an exchange of preferred stock for company shares. These are all events that can impact a company's financial structure and stock performance. The current stock price for E.D.B.L.W, their warrants, is around 14 cents with a 52-week range of 4 to 4 cents, which indicates a very low price point for these instruments. This filing is pretty straightforward. Mainly about postponing and reappearing for their shareholder meeting. There aren't any deep financial bombshells here, but the fact that they are reconvening and that the proposals haven't changed is the core message. The risk I am watching is how these types of administrative updates might mask any underlying operational or financial challenges the company is facing. What I am actually looking for is more transparency in their financial performance, especially given the recent reverse stock split and the very low warrant price. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.